How's it going, guys? This is Chris. I work over here in Rosenberg, Texas, right outside of Houston. Been having a lot of problems here lately. We've been working on the 2004 Chevy Tahoe Z71. Haven't been able to get it to crank. Got that problem fixed, then it wouldn't stay running. Well, every time we'd crank it, it would crank up and die. As soon as it cranked over, it would die. Fought about it. Tried to deduce everything, replace fuel pump, fuel lines. Made sure all the connections, found a couple of leaks, fixed those. In the end, still could not figure out the problem. Had no security light. None. So, to us, that naturally means probably not a security issue. Well, in this case, it was, but not the regular security issue. When you get inside here, as you can tell, I have everything ripped apart. Everything. We've done replaced fuses, relays, everything. So, kept going. And this problem, unlike most, was not normal. It's not something you regularly run into on a vehicle. This is not something that most people think about. As you can tell, we have power. But she runs. Security light stays on. That wasn't on before. Come to find out, I've been watching multiple videos trying to figure this out. I've reset the security system. As you can tell, you go in and you got 3 wires here that run into your ignition. Red one, never touch this one. Always leave it hooked up. Your other 2 wires, sometimes will be orange and yellow, sometimes will be a yellow and black, sometimes can be orange and black. They'll vary. As long as this wire is red, this trick will work. You take them, you cut them, strip them, and you connect these 2 wires right down here to each other. Leave these 2 alone. Connect these to each other. Turn your car on, try to crank it. Won't start. Leave it in the on position. Wait 10 minutes. Security light will go off. Turn the key off. Wait for 5 seconds. Honestly, about 10. Turn it back on. Try to crank it again. Won't crank. Leave it on. Once security shuts off after 10 minutes, repeat the process. Do that 1 to 2 more times. You'll do it a total of 3 to 4 times. Not just 3 every time. It does not always work. For this one, that didn't even fix it. As you can tell, the radio's out. The radio is a part of the security system. Most people don't realize this. This one, the display's busted, the radio's damaged. It don't work properly. Come to find out, I unplugged the radio from the harness and it cranked. The stock radios in anywhere from a 99 to a 2007 Chevy Tahoe are part of the security system. When they are not working functionally properly, it can be sending a bad signal to the security and killing the vehicle. With these, they don't always shut off the fuel pump. Sometimes it shuts off the actual ignition switch. Stops the ignition switch from being able to crank the vehicle. It was that simple, guys. I disconnected the radio and it cranked. Now, we still have some other bugs and issues to work out on this thing, and I'll be making some more videos as we go. Hopefully this helps some of y'all out. If it doesn't, let me know what your problem is. Maybe I can help you fix it. Like and subscribe.